Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. What is the application of DTF printing in the garment industry? One of the most common applications created by DTF printing is t-shirts. Always in high demand, t-shirts can be made for a variety of purposes, from schools to sports to other organizations. And DTF printing also can work as sweatshirts, hoodies, outerwear, polo shirts, hats, team uniforms, jerseys, business apparel, bags, towels, workwear, and so on. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.